Okay, it is really early in the morning for me and pretty dark in here. It's after 7:30. I'm usually asleep later than this, but yay stress. So just saw Canadian Preppers video on how to survive a winter power outage, and thought to myself, well, what would the problem possibly be? I guess for most people, you'd be in really deep doo-doo. You'd be in really deep shit during a power outage in the winter, I guess. If your home was set up in the conventional domestic American dumpster fire kind of way. The way I've set my cabin up, there wouldn't be any issue with a winter power outage. Right now we're looking at the source of heat for the entire cabin, and obviously cooking isn't going to be an issue. Got tea going here, and yeah, we've got heat and cooking taken care of. So what about hot water? Well, gee, that's all taken care of too. We've got the hot water going into the water jacket in the back of the stove here. Hopefully you guys can see. It is super dark in here. Sorry about that. And going into a hot water tank, which is getting pretty toasty here. This isn't my preferred hot water tank, but that's a whole other video. I gotta get this one changed out and replaced with something safer. But, so we've got heat, cooking, and hot water covered, all off of the same system. And it's all powered by wood, which if you... Yes, what a Kenny. If you live out in the woods, obviously you've got your fuel for your heating, cooking, and hot water here. I don't know too many people who have propane farms and can go out onto their acreage and harvest some propane or some natural gas or whatever nasty fracked fossil fuel you want to continue to burn and burn the planet down with. I don't get it, man. But, yeah, there's no crisis here if the power goes out. Staying warm, staying fed, and hot water too. So, yeah, all this stuff about shutting off pipes and making hot rooms and candles and all that nonsense. I mean, get a wood stove. What are you still burning fossil fuels for? It's 2021. The entire planet is on fire, and we can't continue using that shit anyway, so. Plan now. Get your system ready. Get off of fossil fuels. Come on, people. I mean, if you think in an emergency shit hits the fan situation that you're gonna run out into the woods and grab some more propane or some more gasoline, good luck with that. Sure, okay. You know, I don't know what everybody's thinking. I really don't. I'm at a loss here. Like, get your house, get your farm, your homestead, and your vehicles off of fossil fuels. It's just, it's ridiculous at this point. We should have all switched over decades ago. Yeah, forget worrying about hot rooms and pipes and shit. Get your solar, get your wind, get your fire on, and get off of fossil fuels. Like, evolve, people. Let's go. The natives knew what they were doing. We've somehow devolved, but we think we're more advanced. I don't know what's going on. But here is my all-in-one system, I guess you'd call it. And, you know, for lights, which you don't need to survive, really. Flashlights and a solar generator. Ditch the dinosaur bones.